Hi everyone, and welcome to this Release Money Trauma call. And when I first, heard about this concept of money trauma, it was like, wow, that is really so interesting. I have never ever thought about that before, and that is really a very, very interesting thing to know, and also to kind of have a look at what that actually creates in your life. So before I begin, I'd love to know what you think money trauma is. Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat what you think money trauma is. Let me know. Come on, type. I'm going to make you do some work. You guys can keep a pen and paper handy. You know me, I love making people write. Fear of success. Okay, what else? Surprise expenses, traumatic experiences you have with money, blockages from receiving, not having enough, debts and credit cards are getting full, won't have money if you don't work hard, fear of disappointment, sudden changes in the economy, stress over it, family who difficulty in having economic independence, expenses. Oh, you guys are typing too fast. I can't keep up with you guys. So hold on a minute. I just need to open something up on my phone, but till it's opening up, and it probably won't open. So anyway, never mind. So I'm going to start sharing my screen and let's get started. Okay, so what is your trauma response to money? So this is kind of, um, how shall I say it? It's not exactly money trauma, but rather your trauma response. So can anyone guess what are trauma responses? Can anyone guess what are trauma responses? And you are welcome to type it in the chat. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. So whenever you have any kind of trauma, what are the three responses that you have when there is any trauma that shows up? Okay, and when I tell you, you will go, oh really, of course we have those responses, right? So let's take some notes here. Okay, the first trauma response is the freeze response. Have you heard this? Freeze, flight and fight mode. These are the three trauma responses. So in the same way, we also have trauma responses to money. Okay, so when you have the freeze trauma response to money, then what shows up? What shows up is that you don't take action and you are too afraid of you are too afraid of to ask for money. So if you have ever had the freeze response, then what happens is that you avoid opening bills. You don't want to open your bills. You avoid facing money. You avoid creating a budget. You avoid doing your accounts. you avoid booking an appointment with your financial planner, you avoid doing your taxes, or you will resist, and literally, you will be in a state of freeze and it will not allow you to take action, right? So for example, I had a client and she had to apply for a loan, and all she had to do is that she had to hand over her documents to the bank. And what happened was that she was sitting on the documents for a really long time. And basically, this was like a trauma response. She was going through the freeze trauma response. And when I asked her, why aren't you handing it over to the bank? She said, what if they don't give me the money? What if, I hand it over and they reject my loan? So she was literally caught in the freeze trauma response of money. Now, how many of you can identify with this freeze trauma response? Let me know in the chat. I'm also going to just give me a moment. I'm going to connect to the chat um using my phone so that I can uh, see the chat which is coming in. So how many of you, experience this, the trauma responses? Yeah, someone says, especially during the last year, in the first moment, yes, it's happening right now. Yes, yes. So, all these are your freeze trauma responses to money. You know, literally, you will be in a state of freeze. You will be so afraid that you just cannot take action. And I see it not just in money, but it will also show up in your business, because in your business you will not be able to take those actions which are going to create money for you, right? So like for example, when I was first starting out my business, and I wanted to put on a telesummit, I used to sit in a state of freeze in front of the computer, because I was so afraid of technology that I was like, I just have to sit near technology and it's not going to work for me. And then slowly, as I started letting go of this freeze response, what started to happen is I eventually came to a place of, okay, it's not working right now, and now how can I make it work? So if you remain stuck in the freeze trauma response with money, you will never be able to take action on anything to do with money. Like how many of you, you would like to work on your business, and what happens is that when it comes time to take action, you just can't take action. And I know people, who blame themselves for procrastinating, whereas the simple fact is that they are running the freeze trauma response for money, right? And basically, there is so much fear there that they are just so strongly in that state of freeze. Now, I am going to do some releases, but you're going to have to wait till the end of the call where I will do some releases. I mean, I'll do a little bit of release right now, but then the majority of it uh, I will uh, uh, I will do it at the end of the call, and hopefully I'll take on a couple of people to facilitate them. Okay, so hold on. So let me just uh, I have to keep switching between my notes and my things. So just bear with me, folks. Thank you so much. Okay, so so everywhere you are functioning from the freeze trauma response with money, let's release on that. Now, uh, what I'm doing when I say let's release on that, I'm using a process called as energetic releases. And in the silence, I'm actually releasing. So, whatever I say, it brings up the energy. And then in the silence, I release it so that the energy shifts for you. So typically, there will be some change in the energy. So it will be better, worse, or it will be the same. Okay. So if it changes better or worse, it's good that something is changing, something is working there. Okay. So everywhere you are not taking action because of the freeze trauma response, let's release on that. And everywhere you are too afraid to ask for money because of the freeze trauma response, let's release on that. The next one is the fight trauma response. Okay. So the fight trauma response is where you are creating from force, effort, hard work, action, and push. Okay. So instead of, instead of flowing, instead of functioning from ease and flow and creating from awareness, from ease, from flow, what you are doing is you are creating from force, effort, hard work, leading with action, and leading with push. And here is where you are also wanting to be more powerful. So it is all to do with, I want more money because the more money is going to give me more power. So, like, people are looking for these two things, more money and more power. And they are always fighting for or against something. Okay. And so how many so what, I won't say how many of you are functioning from fight, because we all have these three trauma responses. However, what I'm asking you to consider is what percentage of your time are you functioning from the fight trauma response, right? So, for example, for me, this one used to be a lot. The fight trauma response was very, very big for me while I was growing up, because I always I always felt, quote unquote, that probably my parents loved my brother more. That's what my point of view was. And so I had to always fight for my right. And so I was always functioning from the fight trauma response. Okay. So so what percentage of time are you functioning from the fight trauma response? So what we do is we use a fight trauma response, against the people who hurt us. And what we want to do is we want to be more powerful than the people who hurt us, right? So what happened was that the way I used to display my trauma responses, because I was older than my brother, I would beat him up and things like that. So that was how I would, display my power over him until he grew taller and more stronger than me, and then I stopped doing that, right? So that's the fight trauma response. And the fight trauma response is in relationship with money, and it's also in relationship with anything else, right? So the question that I will give you here is, who or what are you fighting for or against, that if you were to stop fighting for or against it, would completely transform your monetary reality? Okay, so literally what that fight response does is that it keeps you in this state of fighting for or against someone or something. And when you stop that, what will happen is that, you know, it will just, your whole monetary reality gets transformed. Okay, so yeah, so 100% and all that. So I'm not sure what you're asking me to repeat, but you know, you might have to go back and listen to the recording for this. Okay, so let's do some release on this. Okay, so everywhere you are using the fight trauma response, let's release on that. And so here I have someone who says fighting this reality and the control systems. So here's my question to you, you know, how much does the fighting this reality and control systems create? Like, like, like all of you, I'd love to have an answer. Does fight create anything? Or it only keeps you in that loop of fight where all your energy goes into the fight response? Okay, so everywhere you are fighting this reality, let's release on that. And everywhere you are fighting the control systems, let's release on that as well. And resistance is a big part of the trauma response. Thank you so much for saying that, Joe. Okay, so all the resistance that you have due to the fight trauma response, let's release on that. Okay, so that was huge. Like that energy around resistance was really huge. And everywhere you are creating from force, action, push, um effort, and hard work, let's release on that. And who or what are you fighting for or against, that if you were to stop fighting for or against it, would transform your whole monetary reality? Who? That was heavy. So that was a lot of energy around the fight trauma response as well. So please drink a lot of water through the process. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to the next one, which is the flight trauma response. Okay. So the flight trauma response is where you are avoiding money, where you want to just give it away, and where you want to spend it. So it's like you're running away from money or you are pushing money away. It's one of the things. So here is where you don't want to hang on to money. You want to give it away. You want to spend it. Okay. And so this is the flight trauma response. So what percentage of time are you functioning from the flight trauma response? Okay. So all of that, let's release on that. So just drink water. If you have intensity show up in your body, it's nothing but, you know, your stuff around money which is getting released. So just drink water. Okay. um, so all the flight trauma response that you're functioning from, let's release on that. Okay. Everywhere you are avoiding money as a flight trauma response, let's release on that. Everywhere where you are giving away money as a flight trauma response, let's release on that. And everywhere you are spending money as a flight trauma response, let's release on that. And take a breath. If you have some water, just drink water. Rebecca says, floating away with spiritual practices and getting disconnected to the body. I love it, Rebecca. Thank you for sharing that. Let's release on that. So, floating away with spiritual practices, let's release on that. And everywhere you are getting disconnected to the body as a flight trauma response, let's release on that. So these energetic releases are really powerful. And as I'm running these releases, these are unlocking stuff from your body. And so there's an energetic movement happening in your body, which will show up with different physical reactions. The importance is not to make anything significant. Just be willing to let everything go and just keep drinking water. Okay. That's all there is. Okay, so these are the freeze, fight, and flight trauma responses in relationship with money. Okay, so somebody asks, so how do you get out of that? Okay, so the way you get out of that is you actually have an awareness. You catch yourself doing that. You know, oh, I'm doing the freeze response here, oh, I'm doing the fight response here, oh, I'm doing the flight response here. And then you start releasing everything that is coming up for you around that. Okay, and as you release, and this is like a meticulous process, this is not like a magic wand and suddenly everything goes away, because these freeze, fight, and flight responses are actually stored in our bodies. Okay, and so what happens is that over a period of time, as you keep working on it, things start to release. So what this is called is you resource yourself internally. So internally, what you're doing is that you are doing a meticulous process of releasing this. And as you start releasing this, you will notice that your body starts changing, because your body is holding on to all this stuff. Okay. And then what occurs is that when things externally are still moving, you will become still internally, because you have released all these trauma responses from your body. Okay, does that make sense? uh, uh, okay, I wonder if you can do a release on Nothing Works for Me program. Yeah, I will do it at the end. Okay, because I just wanted to do these three things. I wanted to talk about these trauma responses, and at the end of the call I'll be doing like a couple of hot seats where I will pick two people and I will do a facilitation on them. Okay, so let's move forward. So what happens is all these trauma responses are looking for us to help them release the pattern of survival, right? So, these three trauma responses, these occur in all aspects of our life, right? And these showed up when we were probably cavemen, and, we had to react to actual physical danger, where you have the freeze, flight, or fight response. Okay, and that is a pattern of survival. So as we identify that, okay, I'm in a trauma response, and then as we go specifically into that trauma response and we start releasing it, we are releasing the patterns of survival. Okay, so we release the freeze trauma with money, we release the fight trauma with money, and we released the flight trauma with money, which we just did, and I went into a little bit detailing with that. Okay, now these are just three of the hundreds of thousands of money stoppers that are there. Okay, like literally there are so many. As I've been creating a few money programs, and in the last 2-3 months, I just keep coming across so many of these, and when this one popped, I said, wow, this is something I should be talking about, right? So these are just three of the hundreds of thousands of money stoppers that are there. Okay, so let me ask you this. You have uncovered these three trauma responses. Now what do you do next, right? You have to uncover all the hundreds of thousands of money stoppers that are there, right? And you have to eliminate them, eradicate them, and delete them. Okay, and now you can. And how you can do it is with this process of energetic release that I just kind of gave you a small taste of. Okay, so there's a really easy way to unlock the infinite abundance and success potential in your life, and you don't have to function from the fight trauma response anymore. The fight trauma response is effort, struggle, and hard work. And you don't have to be on the constant doo-doo head on the hamster wheel, because again, that is the fight trauma response, right? So what if you could activate the infinite abundance and success potential in your life, have a steady stream of abundance, wealth, riches, prosperity with total ease, and have total success with money? So what I want to invite you to is the money transformation group coaching is now the time to finally have total success with money. Okay, so it activates the infinite abundance and success potential in your life. It gets you a steady stream of abundance, wealth, riches, and prosperity with total ease. And it helps you get total success with money without the need for the fight trauma response. Even if you're not sure this will work for you, even if you think that it might work for other people, but not for you, and even if you think that nothing can change this for you. Okay, so let me share with you a few testimonials from people who've been working with me using these energetic releases. Okay, so I don't have the name here. So she went from having 7 participants in her group coaching program to 53 participants in a span of 4 weeks of releasing these sabotage patterns. She had a 10-fold increase in her. So let me talk what's included in the program. This program has 12 group coaching calls, and here's what is included in each one of the calls. And of course, the tool that we are going to use in the calls is energetic releases. So the call number 1 will be your money targets. So we're going to look at your money targets, and we're going to look at everything that stops you from actualizing your money targets. Call number 2 is financial alchemy, creating a new relationship with money. So right now, the way you relate to money is kind of wonky, because if it wasn't wonky, then you wouldn't be on this call. Okay. Number 3, the feast and famine cycle. Now tell me, how many of you are functioning from the feast and famine cycle? What do I mean by this? It means that you will have some money come in and then it stops, and then again you have some money come in and then it stops. It's almost like Gary Douglas, the founder of Access Consciousness. He says that when it's the end of the month, it's time for you to pay the rent. You will scramble, 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 create some money, and then you will sit and have nothing until it's the end of the month again. And this cycle typically happens with a lot of people who are in their own business. So what they do is that they will have a feast where they have a lot of clients coming in, and then they are delivering sessions, or like doing all the deliverables in their business. And then suddenly all that, once it gets complete, then there are no more clients coming in. So the number of times I myself have experienced the feast and famine cycle is really amazing. That's call number 3. So we're going to look at the feast and famine cycle, and we're going to clear everything that keeps the feast and famine cycle in place. Number 4 is break through your income glass ceilings. And I think everyone is really familiar with this, because your income, it kind of hovers at a particular level, and if it goes a little bit above that, then something happens and an unexpected bill comes up and it drops down again. So say you receive a bonus or something like that, and suddenly you will have an equal bill show up. Like either you'll get a traffic fine, or you might have to spend on medical expenditure, or there might be a repair showing up in your house, or whatever like that, something like that shows up. So that's what we're going to look at, breaking through your income glass ceiling. Number 5 is ease and flow with money. So in this call, here is where we are actually looking at the fight trauma response, which is coming from force and effort and hard work and push and action. So where you can, start releasing the fight trauma response from your being and finally have ease and flow with money. Number 6 is the parental connection. Like, the number of people that I've been working on, my one-on-one clients, we've been just working on the parental connection, the money paradigm that they function from. And, the money paradigm that you function from, like, just observe how your mother functions from money, observe how your father functions from money, and start to see what percentage of that you have in your own money reality. And it will shock you, it will really shock you. Like, the first time I looked at it, I realized, oh my god, I'm functioning so much from my parents paradigm of money, right? And as long as you are unaware of this, as long as you don't release all this from your system, you will continue to function like that, and you will never be able to go beyond your parents' monetary reality. So you will never be able to create more money than your parents. Okay, how do we come out of that? Well, you join my you join this money series. That's where you come out of it. Number 7 is the ways in which we relate to money. Okay, so when I tell you the word earning, what comes up for you? When I give you the word spending, what comes up for you? When I give you the word having money, what comes up for you? And the biggest one, most people have the maximum amount of charge around this one: wasting money. Okay, so these are the ways in which we relate to money. And when you take these words and you start writing whatever comes up for you around this, you can literally fill pages and pages. Like, recently I saw a video of Ramit Sethi, and he was talking about spending money. And the thing that he was talking about was that most people don't know how to spend money. And I realized that is so true, because right now the spending that we are doing, we are functioning from the flight response to money. That means we just want to, we want to push money away from us. So we are kind of running away from money, and that's what we are doing when we are spending money. Okay, the next one is the, again, ways in which we relate to money. So that is obsessing over money, hoarding money, saving money, and investing money. So all these 4 different things to do with money. How are you functioning? What are the things that, what are the points of views, what are the beliefs that you have? And all of that is included over here. Okay, call number 9 is where we are going to look at goal trauma and bad money decisions. Okay, now what I want you to do is, I want you to look at all the different goals that you have set for yourself in this lifetime, right? You have all these goals, I'd like to have this, I'd like to have that. And then what happens is that you might be taking action towards something, and then you don't succeed, right? And that creates a trauma which gets stored in your system. And also what happens alongside that is that you judge it as a bad money decision. So for example, if you invested in a business, right? And maybe your business partner swindled you and he ran away with all the money. So that is a goal trauma. That is also a bad money decision, and that energetic funk is present in your system, which is still creating, your monetary reality. It's impacting your monetary reality, right? So that's another one. The next one is, are you willing to be rich? Okay, are you willing to be rich? So the number of people, who get triggered when they are called rich. Okay, so for example, if I were to look at you and say, hey, you are a rich person, most people, they want to be they want to justify why they are not rich, because immediately they look at the amount of money in their bank account and they will justify that they are not rich, right? They are not willing to be judged as rich. Okay, so in this call we are going to look at everything, all the thoughts, feelings, emotions, points of views, the money stoppers that actually prevent you from being rich. And when I talk about money stoppers, I'm not just talking about thoughts, feelings, emotions, points of views. I'm also talking about a lot of psychic energies, like saboteurs and curses and evil eye and entities and things like that as well. I'm talking about a whole bunch of things. So I might do that as one of the calls, the money saboteurs. So I'll talk about that. Okay. The next one is, are you willing to be visible? Because one aspect of money is also about you willing to be visible, right? So only when you are willing to be visible, can you then attract the money to you, right? So for example, if you are in business and if you're not willing to be visible, then you are not going to attract clients to you, right? So that's what is required in order for you to create money. Uh, and the number one fear that everyone has, even above the fear of death, is the fear of public speaking, which is nothing but the fear of being visible. And what is hidden underneath that is that they are not willing to be judged. Okay, so money is everything to do with receiving judgment, having allowance, being willing to have no point of view about being judged. Okay, that's call number 11. Number 12, and this one is like, I think, how many of you can identify with this? Breaking the cycle of always striving and never arriving. Okay, always striving and never arriving. Okay, so how many of you can identify with that? That means, I'm working on my business, but it's never going anywhere, right? You're continuously striving, but you never reach that. You never can get the success, right? So that's what is number 12. Okay, so these are the 12 calls that we are going to do. This is going to be live calls, and it starts in October. It starts the first week of October. I don't remember the date. And this is what we are going to cover in all these 12 calls. Okay, so the total value of this is $3,000. Now, the secret sauce in the program is the energetic releases. Okay, and I I I'm only now kind of started to admit that I have this capacity to look in the energy fields of people, and I can literally see what is stopping them. So if you are talking to me about something, I will literally be able to see what's going on with people that is stopping them, right? And I use that in the energetic releases, and people can really change very quickly with that. Okay, that's the secret sauce in this program, because this is a live series in which you are going to be there with me together. Okay, so I'm not charging you $3,000. I'm not even charging you $750, but you're still going to get so much change with this. Okay, However, you can only get this for a limited time. And I'll tell you at the end of the call a really fun thing. If you take me up on this right away, like today itself, either during the call or within the next few hours, okay? And these are just some of the testimonials from people who've experienced my work in some form or the other, okay? So I just had a session with someone yesterday, and she said, every time I work with you, my whole business expands, okay? Now, you won't find this unique approach to financial wellness anywhere. I mean, people have said that my techniques cut through layers of limiting beliefs more than they've ever experienced before. And literally, I'm just using the words limiting beliefs, but there are hundreds and thousands of stoppers, you know, and a lot of these stoppers are actually psychic stoppers. And it's so woo woo that I don't really like to talk about it. Okay. And here's the thing, you will have access to me because these are live calls. And what I love about this is that, you know, you can have me facilitate you. And as I facilitate one person, things change for the entire group. So you can show up in this. I mean, this is a really good way for you to get access to me without having one-on-one sessions with me. Okay. And this program pays for itself with your expanded money flows. So you can let go of your money stoppers quickly and easily. And you know, I've tried to make it so comprehensive that that we are covering almost everything, a whole array of things we are covering in these 12 calls. And you know, you have some bonuses that I'm just going to talk about in a bit. So this is the Money Transformation Group Coaching Program. You get 12 group coaching calls with me. Here is, you know, I went through the whole thing right now. So you can do one payment of $450, or you can do 3 payments of $175 every month, or you can do 6 payments of $95 every month, or 12 payments of $59. Like, I literally want to make this available for everyone. So I've created a payment plan that can work for everyone. Like, it's a small investment, okay? And now let me share with you the fast acting bonuses, okay? You're going to get 3 of my newest courses, okay? The first one is the Energy Accelerator for Money, valued at $199. The second one is Creating Infinite Possibilities, valued at $127. And the third one is Money Beyond This Reality, valued at $747. But you will only get these courses if you sign up within the next 24 hours. Literally, you will only get this within the next 24 hours. So this is what is included in the Energy Accelerator for Money. This is what is included in Creating Infinite Possibilities with money, with relationship, with job or business. Like, I was just talking to a client today, and she said to me, she's been listening to this, and all you have to do with these courses is you have to download the recordings, put them on a playlist, and on really low volume, play it just once a day. That's it, only once a day. What she told me was that she's not been working for the last 3 years. And suddenly, you know, she started, creating jewelry, and she's selling it from her Instagram profile. And she also started getting new ideas of what other things that she can do. And she's gone for a job interview for something that she's never done before, but it's just really light and expansive for her. So it's kind of creating the infinite possibilities with job and business for her. Okay. And then this one is a really comprehensive program. And basically, I created this program, Money Beyond This Reality, from a workbook that I had created in, I think, the year 2010. And I created this course, which I used to deliver in person, which was called Energy Psychology for Abundance. And literally, I took every exercise, everything from this book, and I put it in this course. And you will find that some of the things in here are kind of similar to the calls that I'm going to be doing. And the only difference is that in the calls, you're going to have live facilitation. In these courses, you just download the recordings and you put it in a playlist and you play it all the time. So these three courses you will get when you sign up within the next 24 hours, okay? These are all the things that are included in this course. And so this is a testimonial from someone who bought all the three courses. And she said she's been listening to it just for 4 or 5 days, and amazing things are showing up. So listening to the recordings every day, my business has lit up. Well, both of them have. One is sales, which is a high-end product, and one is service, which is coaching or energy work. And people I haven't heard from in years have popped back into my life, coming for sessions, buying packages, referring me to new clients who have also just bought packages, okay? Multiple serious inquiries regarding product, even 2 random sales happening yesterday and today, seemingly out of the blue. These programs work if you work them. And this is just from listening to the recordings, okay? So now here are the amazing bonuses. The payoff your heavy debts track, money trifecta, the positive self-image and unshakable self-confidence track, clearing ancestral patterns of money, the money power recording, like literally the money power recording. If you don't do anything else, just take the money power recording and start playing it every single day. Your whole money reality will change. 10 times your income and having $100,000. So this is someone who wrote to me after listening to the audio tracks. Thank you for the get rid of your debt recording. You have absolutely every thought I have in my head on that recording. And I definitely need the unshakable self-confidence track. Okay. Now, if you buy during the call, that is right now, you're going to get this joyful possibilities with money power recording. Okay. So someone is asking, how do I join? So hold on a minute. Let me give you the join link. Okay, so nilofarlight.com/money-transformation. Okay, nilofarlight.com/money. Hold on, let me type it for you. Yeah. Okay. So if you join within the call, you're going to get this bonus. Okay. And you're also going to get another bonus that is a little recording I created. And I just shared with my 21-day group. Okay. So you're going to get that bonus again. And that bonus is really awesome. And I'll talk about that bonus in just a bit. So here's what you get in the Money Transformation Group Coaching Program. You get 12 group coaching sessions with me. You get the Energy Accelerator for Money, the Creating Infinite Possibilities, Money Beyond This Reality. And your investment is 1 payment of $450, 3 payments of $175. And if you do the full payment, you get a one-on-one session with me, okay? 3 payments of $175, 6 payments of $95, and 12 payments of $59. Okay. And if you go to that page, you're going to get a very pleasant surprise when you go to pay. Okay. If you pay during the call, Once the call is over, that pleasant surprise is going to go away. Okay. And the call only bonus is the joyful possibilities with money power recording. Okay. So if you have this thought that I'm not sure this will work, so the number of participants tripled. I had the fear of going big, being visible. After working with Nilofer, I have let go of that fear. I'm able to invite hundreds and thousands of my ideal clients into my life. The number of participants in my group coaching has tripled. Multiple clients booking, regulars who are very wealthy, and new clients who have rebooked and referred me to their family. One magical client in particular was insistent that I take clients in her pop-up store in Laguna Beach, California next year. So these are all people who have worked with me at one point or the other. This program is giving me insights into why money classes have not been hugely successful for me in the past. My energy is different and changes are already happening. This will work for other people, but will not work for me. Now, remember, I'm going to do the personal facilitation for 2 people at the end of the call. So just hang in there, okay? So this will work for other people, but will not work for me. Marlene, I did type it here. Hold on. It's there. Just scroll up the chat. You will find it. Okay. This is a pattern of fear of failure, which comes from your old money stoppers. And we are going to clear this fear of failure. In fact, you know, the money power recording has one of these things, which is the bonus, right? It has this thing about failure and success, which will start getting cleared for people. I have new possibilities showing up. I'm attracting money with minimal effort. Okay, I don't have time to do this now. So you only have to attend 2 60-minute calls every month. And if you can't attend live, you can listen to the replays. And the other thing you do is that you take all the recordings of the money programs, which you're going to get as a bonus, and you just put it in a playlist and play it once a day, right? And play it when you know your whole family is around, so your whole family's monetary reality starts getting transformed. Can you imagine, you know, transforming your kids' monetary reality, even your partner's monetary reality? Okay, I don't have the money for this right now. So I know that, you know, everyone has challenges. But the thing with money, whether you have the pandemic or you don't have the pandemic, you know, if money has been an issue for you, it will continue to be an issue for you. So you need to do something to change this. If you can't join this program, just get one of my money courses, okay? And that's the reason I've made these payment plans, and I've made these payment plans so, you know, within reach of most people. And the most important thing is, once you start releasing your money stoppers, then, you know, you will start attracting more money. More testimonials. Um, you know, there are many more testimonials. Then the other one is, I'll do this later. So maybe you can, maybe you can't. And do you really want to wait? You know, why do you want to linger with your money issues, right? Instead of just changing it right away. Because right away you will get access to the money courses, and you can start, you know, using the recordings right away. I've done so many classes and courses. Why should I do another one? So like I said before, the secret sauce is the energetic release plus the live facilitation, plus, you know, I'm able to see into the energy fields of people and get to the heart of the matter. So if you want to, you know, join us with that, you are most welcome. When will I get access to the trainings? So these are live calls, 2 every month, and you will get access to the bonuses immediately. So again, she went from 7 to 53 participants in her group coaching program in a span of 4 weeks. I don't have to stress over money anymore. Again, these are more testimonials from people. I feel like I've already started earning more. It's this feeling inside, the certainty that money will find its way to me. I already have your courses. Why should I buy this? So, like I said, the courses are really amazing. They will create a huge shift for you. But in these calls, you get live facilitation from me. So you get the facilitation and you get my awareness when I look into your energy field and find out what's stopping you. Again, more testimonials from people. More testimonials. I love this testimonial because she's been following me for many years. Thank you, Gloria, for this. And she's changed her monetary reality. And now the tools that I have, they are even more potent than back in 2015. Calmer around bills, found the root cause of my failure. I let go of my money stories. So for those of you who've done my 5 days of money transformation free program, this is coming from there. Okay. The money courses are also available with a payment plan. Yes, there is a payment plan. Awareness of limiting beliefs. These are all testimonials from people who've been in one program or the other with me. Okay. Again, new possibilities with money. So let's go over this once again. 12 group coaching calls. This is all that you get. Again, the payments, fast action bonuses, and this is what you will get. Okay, so now let's do some live facilitation. Okay, so hold on a minute. I'm just going to, so I'm going to just leave you at the link for joining the program, and we can do the live facilitation. So if you would like to get live facilitation, this is the link. You can go here and get the live facilitation. Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat who wants to get live facilitation, and you have to just type out something that you want facilitation on. And then I'm going to just select one person who pops. Okay, let me know. It's on Wednesday, and it will be at 6 p.m. UAE time, which is 4 p.m. CET. Okay, hold on, let me unmute. Yes, so just raise your hand if you would like to get live facilitation, and I'm unmuting you. Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, tell me.
Wow. Recently, I was doing really well in my business and life. And recently, I received a letter from the IRS saying that I owe money from a foreclosed house, that it was earned income. So all the stress that brought up, and them saying we're going to do all this action against you, has been really rough because when you call there, they hang up on you. They will not give me a list of proof, showing me where they're getting this, idea from. So I'm trying not to stress about it because the money that I saved up and wanted to pay off this house with, they want to take that money away.
Okay, so what comes up for you when you think about that?
Fear and stress because it's like a pattern of taking my stuff away.
Okay, okay, hold on. I'm just going to stop you there. When you think about the IRS and them asking you for money right now, what's coming up for you?
Fear, and I don't want to go backwards anymore.
Okay, so let's release on all that. Okay, now once again, think about the IRS. What's coming up for you now?
Feeling robbed.
Feeling robbed. Okay, so all that feeling robbed, let's release on that. Okay, now what is it? When you think of the IRS?
Wow. My thought came up was I just want to be at rest and peace in my life instead of fighting, struggling for money. You know what I mean?
Okay, so all of that, let's release on that. Okay, now when you think of the IRS, what comes up for you?
More peaceful. I feel like I'm resourceful. The word comes up. And also came up like I want to be more noticed in my business.
Okay. All right. That is good, right?
Yes.
So shifting from fear and stress of IRS to something different.
Definitely.
Okay. So okay. So everything within you and outside of you that keeps this issue with the IRS in place, let's release on that.
Thank you.
How's that?
Oh, I'm just releasing it and letting it go. And it seemed like it was karma.
Yep. Like most of these stuff is originating from, other lifetimes. And it's not like one lifetime, it's multiple other lifetimes. So yeah, we clear all that stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Mhm.
Thank you for your question.
Thank you.
All right. All right, RP. I'm just unmuting you.
Yes, I'm unmuted now. Hi, it's Romana, actually.
Hi, Romana.
Hi,
Okay.
Nilofer. So it was so abusive in my family. My work never had any value. I just wasn't worth anything. And I was treated like that, and I was told that every day.
Mm-hmm. So, what's your question?
Wow. What would it take to let that go, basically? It seems it's like there's some other field around me that I cannot get rid of.
Okay. So, all the abuse from your family, let's release on that.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. How's that now?
It's something really heavy in my throat.
Okay. So, did you want to speak out against your family and you suppressed it?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh
So,
yes.
so everywhere you stuffed down your awareness and your expression in the face of your family's abuse, let's release on that.
Yes.
So I did a show on abuse yesterday. So you can go find it on my YouTube channel, and I would highly recommend that everyone watch it. In that, I talk about 10 types of abuse, and we did a little bit of clearing as well. So you know, if you're going through any kind of abuse, and if you're not sure if you're going through abuse, you should watch that because it really tells you what is abuse from a very uh, you know system kind of perspective. Okay. So how's that now,
Yeah.
Rumana?
It's moving a lot. It's in
Okay.
my spine now. It's like heart area, just the back of the
Uh-huh.
body.
Okay. So everywhere you are functioning from your past, let's release on
Oh,
that.
yes.
So notice, you know, even when you started speaking, you were just, you know, talking about the situation you were in. It wasn't really a question. It wasn't really
Correct.
asking to change that, right? So that's really telling me that you're functioning from the past, right? So, so
Correct.
I'm not judging you. I'm just, you know, bringing it to your awareness. So maybe one of the things that you can do is like just check in with yourself throughout the day. Am I functioning from my past here? Because it's so easy to just slide into the past instead of being present. So everything within you and outside of you that keeps you stuck in the past, let's release on that.
Yes, please.
And everything within you and outside of you that doesn't allow you to be in this moment present, let's release on that.
Yes.
Okay, how's that?
Much, much, much better. And my heart reacted really strongly.
Yeah. So one of the things that keeps money away from you is something called as the heart wall. And the heart wall is nothing but like, this wall which surrounds your heart, which, is trying to protect you. And
Yes.
what it does is that it also stops everything from coming in, and that's the reason that the heart,
You're correct. You're correct, 100%.
yeah. So
Yeah.
because when there is any abuse, that's what we do. We're trying to protect ourselves. We put up all these walls around ourselves, and the most powerful one that stops money flows is the heart wall, basically. And it's not just one heart wall. You can have so many heart walls. It's just many heart walls. Yeah. So
Yeah.
so thank you for your question, RP.
Thank you very much.
You're most welcome. So thank you, everyone. The correct link is nilofarlight.com/money dash transform. If you would like to join, and you can get the bonuses if you join within the next 24 hours. After that, you won't get the bonuses. So thank you, everyone. And I'm just going to stop the recording here.